Hi and welcome to today's quick acrylic tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you the blending of two beautiful colors. The first one is the medium magenta to white. So you can use any magenta that you have. You don't have to have the exact same color that I have with me, and make sure that you have a good paper or canvas where you use it. Mine is 440 GSM paper and I'm just pinning this down using some masking tape. So I'm going to be using my colors directly from the tube because they stay wet a lot more longer, and I think it's very therapeutic to also use it in that way. So I'm going to squeeze out a little bit of my magenta and a little bit of my titanium white. So you can see over here how the magenta is more towards the pink and not very dark as your regular magenta, which is why this one is called as the medium magenta. So you get this particular color in camel. I'm sure you would also get it in any other brand that if you go look for it. So I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm removing all the excess water. You don't really need a lot of water because these are not heavy body acrylics. These are pretty light, which is why it's much easier. They just like go about very smoothly, and I'm going in one direction, left to right, swift motion, horizontal. And when I come towards the white, I will just pick up a little bit of it and blend it with my pink, and you will notice that the blend happens so seamlessly and beautifully. Now, the only trick over here is to make sure that you're a little quick. Don't be too slow, and at the same time you don't have to be super duper fast. So it will take a few tries, but you will notice that the more you practice, the better you will get at it. Don't overdo it. You don't have to keep taking your brush over and over again. So just let it be, relax a little bit, and try out different variations of it. So when I remove the masking tape, it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the blends of these colors. I don't do it completely from magenta to at the bottom white. I like to leave it a little bit, mixed with the white. But if you want to keep it white, you can try that as well. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you. I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.